We're queuing up for the Universal Studio Tour. It's mayhem and madness. You work your way through this sausage factory and you finally get on a trolley car. Well, we'll see you when we get on the trolley car.
At all times, in case of an emergency, pull that cord above you. We'll make a complete stop when it's safe to do so. Otherwise, please remain seated throughout the entire tour without spoilers. You guys can recognize this movie. It's not Psycho. That's a good guess. Where Macaulay Culkin is at the top of this building, throwing down all those paint cans and all of those bricks. Literally, right over here, not in New York. Pretty awesome. And then also Hairspray in California.
Turning around, so Greg, you'll get it on your left.
This is used for all three time periods. 1955, 85, and the future, which back then was 2015. Whoa. Now, Gremlins, one of my favorites. This is Kingston Falls and all that snow and the gazebo. Opening sequence. And Bob Gale and the team, they were really inspired by this set when they were looking for the main set for the films.
It was actually the back lot, the courthouse square, that inspired the entire climax of Back to the Future.
I had scenes up at the clock tower on that ledge. There's a ledge about that wide, and I was standing inside looking at the ledge, and I already had vertigo.
Creature, he's a force of nature. He's old, he's wise, he's practical.
What FX? They're from New Zealand, just like Peter. It's named after a weather bug, which is a specific bug that you'll see down there. Well, they actually
Different movies. Wow. Magnum PI. Back to the Future.
Wow.
Flintstones.
Let's just go.
Harry Potter.
Now, Fast and Furious, as you all know, they use the most picture cars. And maybe you know, Fast 11 is already being planned. This is the finale. So they say. We have company. Oh no! Good morning. Now, if you thought they were dead, watch out for this big guy coming up on your left. He shoots the most water. 3, 2, 1. Brace yourselves. Just kidding. Just kidding. That's our officers. He's very nice. But yes, you saw that mobile app we just passed. It was in this movie, The Lost World of Julian Moore. So a few things. This, it is. Sometimes storms can make things more romantic. house on it. This is literally his house, right next to the cactuses. Look at that tiny little door. Now, this is 6 Points, Texas, by the way. This is where Tarantino fans, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, you recognize this from the film. There he is not. Oh no. Shut it down. Now Georgia's still the water, so let's see how this plays out. I'm a little nervous for him. Cross your fingers. Oh, it's too early in the day for that. Oh no. I don't feel safe anymore. You know what will make me feel safer? If we hide behind these flammable tanks of gasoline. What could be dragging the dog? That's right, there's 4 Jaws movies. There's also 4 cars within this tram. These are actually named after this one. But to be honest, they kept on calling it flaws on production because he was sinking pretty much every single time they wanted to do a tape. Tram friends, Norman Bates. How you doing, Normie? Alright, he looks like he's on a mission. We'll let him do his thing. So,
The Bates Motel
just between you and me, he's cuckoo for Cocoa Puff crazy. You've seen this whole thing.
movie, the
If he comes out here again, we gotta be very careful.
Psycho movie.
Yeah, that's a body. And this is a crime scene now. And we are witnesses. Everyone remain calm. Maybe he won't see us. Uh-oh. He saw us. Hello, Norman. Nothing to see here. How are you? Oh, no, not today. We're not turkeys. Put that up down. Oh, no. Steven Spielberg directing. So it's about $60,000. And then it was about $200,000 to ship it because, of course, that's where they always get it. It's in the movie for about 4 minutes, but that's Steven Spielberg for you.
Is perfect example except that it's all designed around a vision of Stephen.
When you first began to sit down to talk about War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood?
Because it's just something you don't see.
So the house is on the right. Real.